Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to answer the capital budgeting question. So the question 5, you can see the two mutual exclusive projects. So this is very important in order to choose whether project A or project Z. So each project will have initial cost of 2,000 or 2.5 million. Alright. So this is like our cost, our cash outflow. So the discount rate for both project is 12%. Alright, 12%. Alright, and then below are estimated cash flow for the every two proposed project. So we have a project A and project Z. Alright, so the cash flow is about 5 years, and we can see the project A, they have a different cash flow, cash inflow. Alright, and the project Z have a same the same have same project cash inflow. Right, first you need to calculate the payback period of each project. Alright, and then we have to calculate MPV, then decide which project. Okay, based on this criteria. And the second one is the internal rate of return. We need to calculate the IRR. This one should be remembered is in percentage. Determine the crossover rate of this project. Okay, the crossover rate is also IRR, but you need to do some of calculation before you compute IRR using a financial calculator. Okay, in this step 2, 3 and 4, you need to use your financial calculator. I will suggest you to have a financial calculator. Alright, and then last part is the essay part, is also decision making. This is a probability index. So you can have probability index, crossover rate, IRR, NPV, and payback period to decide whether project A and project Z. Alright, let me begin first. So you transfer, you need to have a 2.5 million, and then you need to have 12%. Alright, the discount rate, you can have project Z cash flow and also this one. Okay, and then we start for the project, the payback period for project A. Okay, you choose this one. Alright, how to start the payback period is you need to know this is inflow, then this is outflow. So you need to minus the inflow minus the outflow. You will get, okay, 1.950 million. Alright, and then same goes to here, 550 minus 1.950. Alright, you will get 100. Okay, I will show you how. Okay, actually it's minus because this is already minus. Plus and minus become a minus. So you do this and you press plus, and then however this is minus, so you choose this one, you will get 110. Okay, when I will do this for you also. Alright, so you will get we have the outflow is 1.1 million, then we only have 1 million here. So 1 million plus, this is minus. Okay, so it become minus. So you will have left 1,000, 100,000. Okay, 100,000. So you have 1.5 million for the next year. So however, this one can cover this one. So you already reach 3 period to get the payback. So 1 period, 2 period, and the 3rd period. And the 4th period, you already can cover this one. So that's why you need to do some calculation, because you only left the uh, the the outflow is 100,000. Then you will divide by 1,500. Okay, because I will be simplify this, you will get 0.05 years. So when you sum up total the payback period, okay, total payback period, you will get 3.07 years. This one, right? So you will get uh you will get 3.7 years. Okay, same also for the project Z. Alright, you will do this, and then minus this, you will get 1,400. And then when you get 1.5 million, you have the outflow is 1.4 million. So you already left 300,000. Okay, so you can cover this project Z. Alright, this project Z can cover, okay, can cover 2 years. Your because the project cost is 2.5 million, but first year and second year is already covered, but the third year it can cover the remaining 300,000. So what we do is same like that. We get 300 over 1,100. Okay, so you will get 0.27 years. So you total up, you will get some total payback period is 2.7 years, right? Alright, so this is all. So if you want to answer this, okay, if you want to make a decision using a payback period, the rule of thumb is shorter payback period, the better. Okay, so we will choose project Z. Alright, so we move to a net present value. Okay, and then using a net present value, I already prepare you using a financial calculator. You need to refer the video. So before you choose, I will stop here, and you need to see the video. Then we continue this session. Alright, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.